Basant Panchami or Vasant Panchami. Basant Panchami, also known as Vasant Panchami. Basant Panchami is observed throughout India, especially in West Bengal, Bihar, Punjab, Odisha. In these regions, it is a significant festival honoring Goddess Saraswati and signifying the arrival of spring. In particular, educational institutions hold celebrations that include Saraswati Puja. For scholars, artists, and students seeking her blessings for wisdom and creativity, this day is blessed. The festival takes place in the Hindu month of Magha, which typically corresponds to January or February in the Georgian calendar. The day will be observed on Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Prayers, cultural events, and the wearing of yellow clothing. The yellow hue representing wisdom, knowledge, and purity, while also commemorating the onset of spring as the fields become furnished with yellow mustard flowers. Prosperity is symbolized by the preparation and sharing of saffron rice, kesar halwa, and the other yellow colored desserts. Vasant Panchami is significant for marriage because it marks the vibrant arrival of spring, which represents fresh starts and positive energy. As a result, it is astrologically auspicious for all good action, particularly marriages. The myth has it that Lord Shiva and Parvati were married on this day, and it is also a time for Goddess Saraswati to shower blessings for a happy marriage. Vasant Panchami is an important holiday that helps us stay connected to our customs and culture. Thank you.